Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Les Method of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Rated X. The song is Freak, the artist is Chris Brown, featuring Lil Wayne, JOYNER LUCS, and GRIZZLEY. The choreography is JERMAINE, Mr. Incredible. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you want the step-by-step instruction, please check out the choreographer and I'll post mine at the end. I will be doing the dance to the instrumental version. And here we go. thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.